Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150, that generation between year 2015, 16 and 17. If you have one of those, you need to find the fuse for the DSP. This is the digital processing signal, guys. Digital signal processing, DSP. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located. So if you have problem with the audio, radio, no sound, anything like that, we recommend to check that fuse. We'll explain where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from and why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So what we have right here specifically, we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150. The fuse box that you need is the one that's located right under the hood. When you open your engine bay, on the left side behind the car battery, guys, you're going to have a fuse box that's located right there. You open that cover, and once you open it, you will see the fuse box. It will look just like that. You will be on the front side of the car, of the truck, that will be towards the windshield side. Now, first, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. You can see, guys, how you have actually different kinds of fuses and relays, and those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere, and some of those could be really important to where your truck will not be working. So I would recommend to buy some spares, fuses and relays. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a really good price and quick shipping. The fuse for the DSP, digital signal processing, guys, if we come right here now in that fuse panel, right here, the fuse in that row, you can see the very bottom one is known as fuse number F14, that 20 amp fuse. That's the one that we need to check specifically. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.